Yeah. Hello, if you can see my screen, can you add it find under the comment section? That's our question. Hello, if you can see my screen, can you drop your comment? This is really very for life. This is very best for life. It's very best for life. Yes. Honestly. When you can become communicate with you, how do you want to? It's not it's really bad. Let me see YouTube. What is it? You don't check out. It is now. I want to tell you going to school. What? Stop my journey. I'm the one. See, here's the thing. It's still very small. You see that little very small. It's not picking you. You'll be hearing you can. You'll be hearing it. Consider this way.
That's how you won't get it. You won't get it.
But what is Zoom? What do you mean?
That's different. That one is the meeting platform where you use anytime. But it's a streaming platform where you can watch live match. It's 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 seconds delay. So that's it. Because it's carrying millions of accounts that millions, not millions, millions of accounts.
Seems like this thing also is very small. You say network.
Then,
Say network is poor. Who this thing here?
combine media, combine graphics. Anything combine graphics. Indeed.
So if you're just joining my session, this is what we are waiting for now good. Or what's it called? Strategy. I'll be expecting the market to leave this place out and to take this place out. So which means I'll be expecting the market to come from away here down to this my box here and we are buying up. So for now, my I'm, I'm expecting the market to push up for now. So bias is buy, and if I can have anything that go down here, that's it. To break this place, definitely we don't have set up for today. So we continue next week. So let's hold on. The another section is opening by New York session is opening by 1:30. So New York session is opening by 1:30. So within 1:30 to 2 o'clock, we should be able to see what market is going to actually do from there. So I just hold on the live and let's wait. Let's watch out for the price action. With this setup for the people who are trading trend one. But like I always tell you, if you know what you're looking at from the market, or those ones they are just to make noise. So like they're getting the market to take this place out and this place and enter our block. If you can see this other block here, it looks like there is a fresh other block that might be retested. So I expect price to come back to it. And if the price did not come today, so definitely we close and we move to next week. This usually just play with my emotion. I've been on this trade since day before yesterday. That's the Wednesday, yes. I've been on this trade since Wednesday. I don't know what happened to DJ. It's just very slow. Just very, very slow. Let me see. And please, on this session, don't ever think of flipping. Please, let me take the call last year. Make sure you practice, you follow the proper risk management. I get in my point. So make sure you follow proper risk management. And I think by now you should have known how much you want to risk on your account. I Aku. Belum pernah.
Now I'll conclude with those main points and Paul Friday. But the entire thing would be off by the entire thing will be off by the weekend again. So they can start using it as a good about manual. You can start using it. Your everything is perfect. Yes, of course. Every you can start using my money while I work on this, you know, put it in place, do your system, especially meant no, modern way, you can make like but the concept is so yeah, that's the house. No, something something that is accepted between yeah. Ele já conseguiu,
Welcome, Kabirat. So, like I told you, I don't know, maybe you are not a beginner. The analysis should be very clear to you. So, what I really told you other people is that I'm expecting market to come down to this box here, which is the order block. I think you trade supply and demand strategy. So, we now you can see that this place is the demand zone. So, this demand zone here now is where I'm waiting for market to come back to. I might be expecting market to take out this low and this particular low too as a liquidity to make this other block very far late. You get my point. So we are expecting the market to do something like this to come down to this place here and buy up. So our bias is to buy. I'm waiting for market to buy up to this level here. You understand my explanation, copyright?
Have you realized today's relationship? The second one, but like concept is captures but I like this design. But generalmente, mano, aquilo começou quando eu estava na eu acompanhando. Se não se manter a gente sabe ainda mais.
So it's almost two. Let's prepare. I think market will be high level to be further by 2 o'clock or within 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Market should experience some fatality in the market. Okay, Mr. Henry, welcome. I can see you're welcome. So we are doing our live trade as I promised. So we are on a live trade. But actually, market has not even yet. So it's here to give us an entry. So this is our analysis. We've already done our analysis, and this is very clear. It's very straightforward and very simple. I'm very sure that the market will break this place here. But any time that the market, today is Friday, so we're still trying to manipulate sellers. And that's when it's still holding this place as if it's a resistance level. So So still taking some tailor there. So but what I'm actually expecting is for market to drop down to this other block before it push up to this level here. That's our confirmation. So we're entering back to this level here. But we don't have any confirmation. So we'll let the market slide down. We'll continue next week. This DJ setup, is there anybody that's still holding this trade? Because I remember I sent this setup to my Telegram channel and the WhatsApp group. Is there anybody on this trade and that's still holding it? Because me, I'm still holding this trade. Oh. You are still holding this DJ setup. Just drop your just drop your hand under the comment section. Let me know. I hope everybody can see how the market is being has been. So, like I always tell you guys, market is a game place where it's a game of patience. You have to be a patient trader before you can think of making money in this market. We have been on this right now for over 1 hour, but we are still yet to have a setup because there's one particular thing that we are waiting for the market to do for us. So that's why I told you that I always say that this market is not a market that you can rush decision because if you rush in, you rush out. You have to be very, very patient in the market. And that's why I always tell you that it's not somewhere you can say you need money, that's why you have to be straight, you have to be using that one pressure to trade. No. Because when you are using the pressure of needing money to trade, you do not as in, give it chance to sacrifice the patience needed in the market for you to wait for the right setup before you trade. So you make a wrong decision in the market. But for now, like I told you earlier, if you don't have the market, as in the market come down to this our POI, the report of interest, we are not taking any action from this market. Either that is good and wait for next week and take a wrong setup because it's maybe it's my setup. If it's not this setup, but I will cannot say because of this thing we are breaking our discipline. No, I'm still waiting for the market to come down to this place to go up. my DJ is moving well. So if you're on this trade, congratulations. But if you're not on this trade, you're also passing congratulations too. Let's wait for the next setup. But I mean, like I said, this DJ has been very slow since in this week. I've been on this trade since Wednesday, and how many people am I even targeting? Just only 150, 140p. Just only 140p. But it's moving nicely. That's when it's very good to do what? When you are waiting for your, if you wait for your setup, wait for your trap, for you to hold, as in patience for you to, when you have patience to wait for the setup, so the patience for you to hold your trade to hit your TP will not be hard for you. So that's the game of patience that we are dealing with in the market. Let's go back to this one. Okay, KB, you say you took it on your profile account. That's very good. But why? KB, did they spread the account or did they wide the spread or what? Well, I think excellence are fond of that because even the last time when I was reading on their broker, I explained something like that. Even the day that thing, the day I experienced that was I was very shocked. Reason being that I have a pending order on gold and I have pending order on GG with the same lot size. I was so shocked, like they delete my pending order on GG. Yeah, that was the time I was trading GG. They deleted my pending order on GG, and later of the day they trigger my and as in my pending order on gold. So I was very sure because even gold is more volatile than GG. So I was expecting them to even delete the gold in the as in, instead of GG. But I don't know how how they are running their broker margin balance because I think they deleted the order due to margin balance. Shey you get. Can you see what gold is actually doing? Gold don't want to come back to our entry to give us an entry. But that's not a problem. Well, the only major thing, what is important doing is that are we right with our analysis or we are wrong? If market did not give us an entry, that's not our own problem. That's the market entry. That's the market problem, which means we still go ahead repeating what we as in the same thing we do today. We are going to repeat the same thing next week. We can't keep repeating it and market will not uh, and market will not help us as in not give us an entry for the whole week. Are you getting my point? So with this 1 year, if market will go up to hit our target, so definitely this setup is no longer valid for me. It's no longer valid for me. So we move ahead to next week. But like I always tell you during our session, during my training with you guys, that session is very important when you are trading. Like I told you initially, I told you that by 2 o'clock, market will be more volatile than the time of 12 to 1, 11 to 12, you can see how volatile the market is coming now because this past two. So which means the New York agents are already hoping for official transaction. Are you getting my point? So within 2 to 3, 3 to 4, you expect the market to be more and more volatile. And so session is very, very important. And like I always say, you will give it a time that is very important for you to trade. We are looking for an entry. Make sure you look for an entry. Like in New York session, you want to be trading New York session. 1 to 3 is your normal time to be looking for an entry, and you expect the market to be more volatile within that time. And if you want to be trading London session, 8 to 10 is a perfect time. 8 to 10 is a perfect time for you to look for an entry in the London session. For Asia section, I don't trade Asia section right now, so I don't really know the perfect time for it. But that's towards the midnight. That's when you can be having a perfect entry. So if you want to be trading Asian section, you can go and change your time. Check the time for Asia countries' time, like Japan. So you need to go and check their time frame and correct that with Nigerian time so that you can know within 8 to 9 of their own official time. So what we have in their own 8 to 9 official time in their country, what time did they fall into in Nigeria here? So that's when you'll be trading. For instance now, if you Google your time now, this 2 o'clock now, this is a 9 a.m. in US. It's 9 a.m. in US. So you know that we are most of the country from London, from the European countries, we use the same time frame. So that's when 8 to 9 is very key in the market because that's when official bank open, or that's when the CBN open for operation. Are you getting my point? So in Nigeria here, like I said, this 2 p.m. is like 9 a.m. in the US. So which means they are releasing their country data now, their unemployment and everything. So they are releasing data they need to close for the week. So we should be expecting the market to be more volatile during that time of 2 to 4 to 5 during Nigeria time here. So like I said earlier, so if market can hit our TP without coming back to give us an entry, so definitely we will move on from this setup. So then we cancel this setup. So we are going to do what? We continue next week. Definitely the market will not give us entry. Yeah, before we close this last session, because I can see the load is not really ready to come down to our level to give us an entry. Now, let me ask you a question. Before I give out something that I really want to give some people here, number one thing I always ask from you is that I want to know from you that how do you guys spend the weekend? So let me know from the comment section. How do you spend your weekend? How do you, as in your weekend? What do you use to hang out or anything? Just let me know how do you spend your weekend as a trader. Let me know about the comment section.
But I've been going straight. Good day now, they pay after two. Yeah, no, I didn't get it also. No, no, I'm sorry, no, what's it called? The one after the station. That was okay.
You can hear me, like I said, I want to know how you guys always spend the weekend. Let me know.
I'm not telling you. Are you on
I'm on live session.
live session?
Yes, I'm playing his life. People are watching. It's live.
It's all right.
Okay, you are watching. Someone is presenting.
He's not presenting.
I thought that is good.
No problem.
What I did is
No, no, no.
I was saying,
Okay, Mr. Henry, that's very good. That's very good. What about you, Kelly?
Ah, calm down. No, no, she's not too much.
One more thing, let me tell you something. Like I said earlier, that with this market now, as it has gotten up to this level here, is I'm not even if the market come down to this level, I'm not going to take this place as my pot of interest anymore. Honestly, reason being that if you, I want to, what I want to take, I know that the movement in the market for now. So taking this movement is very, very like I want to buy it to this level because I'm expecting good to reach this level before it starts chasing. But despite the fact that all these places here, they are serving as point of interest whereby market can reverse from this place here, they are serving as point of interest that the market can reverse from because the buy we are currently having is not a positive movement here, it is a retracement movement. And now this movement and a good complete, it already broke this level that I know it's started to come and break. Has already broke it, has already broken it. So this my buy sector to be sincere with you is no longer valid for me. Because look at 1 hour, what I'm explaining to you will be very clear on 1 hour. You can see this 1 hour. If this candlestick can close like this, which means the market come back to clear the liquidity resting here. Don't forget that we are dealing with a which has in chase of liquidity in the market. The market just come back to clear the liquidity resting here on 1 hour. So if this market can close like this, so definitely I will not say this is a buy setup anymore because the retracement movement the market want to do, it has already completed it with this week and it's already cleared the liquidity that you want to clear out from this place. Sorry, liquidity want to clear here, it's already cleared it. So now, if for the market to come down to this level now, will not be hard to clear this inner where we are waiting, will not be hard because this will be the first place. This place now, as I started this place and I couldn't break it, the next place will be targeting to come and clear. And when you understand the liquidity in the market, you will be able to minimize the trap and how to enter trap in the market. So definitely waiting for market in this place here is a very risk. It's a risk according to this 1 hour. So, but we are still waiting for this 1 hour candle to close before we take that decision. But if that decision is close like this, definitely, like I told you, my bias is not for sale. I'm not going to say because of that we are changing our bias to sell on this live session. No, we wait for next week. Let's see what the market will general as in do generally today. So next week we use it to take our to make decision in the market next week. So that's what I can see here. But this 1 hour, let's see what market want to do on this 1 hour. But if this candle can close like this, I can tell you that the market just come here to clear the liquidity rest still here. So the market will still do what? It still drop down. It still drop down. So we are still observing the market. But for now, to be sincere with you, we are just observing the market. We are not taking any action now. We are not buying, we are not selling. So we are not doing any one of them for now. We are not sweep it today. By next week, that's what we are going to wait for. We are going to wait for market to sweep it here before moving up. And if you use the liquid trend line liquidity trend line here, sorry, if you use trend line here, because this what market is doing here, you can see what the market is actually doing with trend line. You can see that that place is it's not even aligned with trend line at all. It's not aligned. So we are just observing the price for now. We are not taking any action on it anymore. What I project for this media session is a buy which market complete without giving us an entry. So we can see the GJ is moving nicely. I want to check to see GJ to take out this place. I will be expecting it to take out this place. So as a Mr. Henry, you say you spend your weekend to relate and review your week. That's very, very good. But let me tell you three things that are very important and like I always tell you. Now, let me ask you something, Mr. Henry. You have a trading journal. Are you journaling all your trades? Are you journaling all your trades on as in every week or every day you take trade? Are you recording your trade? So, Mr. Henry, if you are journaling your trade, it's very, very good and very, very important that every Saturday morning you should be using that morning time to reflect on your trades. Even if it's 1 hour, 2 hours, you should reflect on your trades. There's no trader that is not experiencing loss in the market. So, but you now, your major goal and major goal of every trader is to minimize the losses in their losses and maximize their price in their winning trade. And now, the way you can do it when you are journaling your trade, that weekend you reflect on them that okay, what do you do wrong for you to have a that losing trade so that you will not repeat them in the market again. And the main goal is for you to start repeating what you did when as in for you to have a winning trade, which means your trade for the following week will reduce. Like I always tell people, I don't take more than 3 trades per week. It's not that me, I'm the one that limit myself to 3 trades. It's my setup that limited me to 3 trades per week. When during the time of reflection and everything, I got to know that 3 trades in a week is maximum I can be taking. So and from there I start as in I stay disciplined to it. I don't take more than 3 trades. That GJ is within my first trade for this week. That GJ night two was my first trade for this week. Everybody that knows me know that was my first trade for this week. So this trade I was actually as in this 1 year would have been my third trade for this week, but like it did not give us any trade, so I let it go. Definitely this week I only have 1 trade. It's not about having money, it's not about not needing money. Everybody needs money. But when you are making the pressure of needing money to enter your head and start looking to the country, so the money you're supposed to be even be saving to risk right as in the right way, you'll be losing them in the market, which is not nice. So you reflecting on your trades every Saturday morning is very, very good. And after you reflect on your trade, what do you do? I won't lie to you, the next thing is you going out, hang out, no matter how small it is, even if it's ordinary one, even if it's ordinary 500 naira you can spend on yourself, make sure you compensate yourself for the all the trauma you pass through during the week. Because to be a trader is not an easy, it's not easy stuff. This is the chart. You see all the noises, you are using your brain, cracking your brain, clearly do everything. So you need to compensate your brain to like, okay, well, well done for the work you do for me during the week. That one will really, really boost your memory, will really boost you as in give you extra morale, extra strength to continue the following week in the positive way. No matter how much, even if it's 500 naira, make sure you spend it on something you like to take. on something you like to take is very, very good. It's very, very good. Psychologically, it helps. It helps. Don't say, I don't have money, I don't do this. If you don't have money, there's a play, maybe it's one movie you want to watch at that time to laugh, to it's a comedy, do it. But you need to make sure that you catch fun in doing that on that Saturday. So Sunday, if you are someone who is a Christian, you go to church, you pray for towards the new week, you you listen to administration, you get a message, you write it down, you apply it to your lifestyle, you apply it to trading because every message in the Bible speaks to every woman, every trader. I'm telling you the bitter truth today. So if you are a Christian, go to church, you have make sure you get a message, you pray, you close 10, 11, 12. When you close, you get home, you refresh your memory, you eat, rest, sleep. Because by 10 p.m., market open again, you start analyzing market. By 9 p.m., carry your laptop or carry your phone, analyze market. What are you expecting for the week? I've already taught you how to start analyzing from weekly time frame. Do total analysis from weekly time frame. What are you expecting for the week? Do your analysis, set your trap for the market, and start observing it during the week. That's all. That's all. So weekend is very, very important. If you know how as a trader, you want to be a profitable trader in this industry, in this forex space, you need to know how to use your weekend very, very well. You need to know how to spend your weekend very well. So and these are the way I spend my weekend. These are the way I spend my weekend. Even there are some weekend that I don't even I will end up in the week as in the week on loss. But that doesn't stop me from going out. If it's ordinary cook, I can go out to go and drink and sit and drink. I will go out, buy the coke and watch football because I'm a football fans. I will watch football, go home back, start dancing, play song on my phone, dance a little bit because I don't know how to dance, but I'm fond of. I like as at least if I want to be in the mood of dancing, I do shake my body. So all these things are very, very important psychologically if you really want to be a trader, a profitable trader, a consistent profitable trader. You don't let us mistake it, a consistent profitable trader in the industry. Are you getting my point? So there are something that you need to apply very, very well. And like I told you, if you don't have a trading journal, Mr. Henry Kabiras, I have a trading software that I can give you. Two of you, if you don't have a trading journal, you can message me for your trading software. But other people, if you don't have a trading journal, you also can message me. Or it comes with a fee because it's a software. Because it's a software. But it comes with a fee. But Mr. Henry and Kabira, they can message me for software. I will give them for free because they've been a very consistent student for me and they've always been joining my life. So at least if someone is making an effort, I need to appreciate that kind of person. So you can message me for your trading software and for your trading journal software. I will send it to you and you save it to start building your trading journal. I mean, start trading, journaling your trade with it. So if you have any question based on what I said, so you can drop your question under the comment section. I will check them and I will answer every question. So we are now in the question and answer session now. So you can ask your question under the comment section.
So using all the basic aspect of crypto, SATs. So that was seen as kind of uh, basically we shall. So
My DJ is moving nicely. Gabriel, send me a screenshot of your trade. Oh. I want to see you winning that trade.
I'll share my screen on. So I wanted to ask, like, can this be counted for body shape? Because while I think about okay, please. Okay. Alright. Okay, and she's saying socks, but like, yes, yes, sir, I know.
Actually, I don't know, I feel something.
No, no, there's no caption. Okay, some outfits I wore, I'll know. Alright. Okay, then she says this case of I just want to be confirmed by that, so there's no contest to anything.
Yes. But you survive.
Yes, yes.
I'm going to learn to survive that.
No, right?
Yeah, yeah. There was one I went with. So you got some
Because when I look it up, it says, where is that? Be very bad, decidedly good, those things.
I was like, oh, this experience. But I mean, that's it. There is not so good. No, you can access it.
Okay, no, alright, thank you.
So what time are you leaving?
So,
Or you are joking?
no.
Or you still stay up
Yes, maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour.
It's been 1 hour, so I feel like I have I have to reduce accommodation. Yeah, yeah, this was that was like shaking and I don't know what I can't be very making sense.
Okay, everyone, I think it's time for us to go. Thank you everyone for attending this session. Actually, the good news give us an initiative today, so we'll go again next week. I will communicate to you, and the people I call their name out, you should message me for the trading journal. I will send it to them. So if you have any question again, this session is not the last time for us, so you can still message me on WhatsApp or on our Telegram, or you can wait for the next session to send me message to ask a question. So thank you everyone once again for attending this session. So have a good weekend and see you next week. Bye
I was
everyone.
there for one of their room. In the first time that I was going to, I was trying to show.